Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to upload your videos from your computer to TikTok. Now the first thing you need to do is navigate to tiktok.com. Once you're here, you want to go over to where it says watch now and you want to click that button. Once you've clicked that button, you get the option to log in. You want to click login. Once you're here, you'll get given various options to log in. Now, I usually pick to log in via email. So let's click that and then click login with email and enter your email. I'm just going to blur the next two sections just for privacy's sake. And hit the login button. You'll get a small captcha where you'll need to prove that you're not a robot. So this is a very easy puzzle for a human being, I guess. And once that's successful, you want to click login again. And there you go. You're officially logged into your TikTok account on your desktop. Now, what you want to do is go over to the right-hand side here and click upload to upload a new video. And now you're greeted with the upload a video page. You'll have the option to write a caption, a cover, and most importantly, upload a video. So let's click this and let's select our video. While this is uploading, just a quick disclaimer, your video has to be 720p x another resolution. So for example, the video that I'm currently uploading is 720 x 1080. Always has to be 720 first, x another resolution. Okay, getting back to the caption here. So I'm just going to go with a nice easy caption as per the thumbnail. And then let's add a couple of hashtags here. You also have the option of using the @ symbol to mention some friends. I'm just going to use the hashtag. And then you also have the option of adding a thumbnail, otherwise known as a cover here. Because my video is a still video, I already have a cover. But you need to, if you are uploading a custom thumbnail, make sure that it is 720 x whatever resolution you're using on your video. So just go down here and you can see who can view this video. I'm going to pick public and allow users to comment and duet. I've left it public and I've left all the options ticked. Once you're happy with all your settings, you want to click post. And there you go, your video is being uploaded to TikTok. As that's uploading, you have an option to upload another video or to check out trending videos. I don't want to upload another video, so let's click check out trending videos. We're not actually going to look at the trending videos, but we want to look at our profile again. We want to see if our video has indeed been uploaded. And there we go. That's the video that we just uploaded. Okay guys, that concludes the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. If the video was helpful to you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.